Hello, it's Adrian from Freehold Country in Great Torrington. Today I'm in the hamlet of Huntshaw Water. Behind me it took the owner about a year to build this fabulous home. The amount of earth that he's moved to create a two-storey home is extraordinary. There's a quality throughout. It's energy efficient. You've got 4 kilowatt PV panels. You've got pressurised hot water systems. You've got Cat 5. The kitchen, his wife was a chef, has been designed with simplicity in mind. Nicely done with fridges, wine coolers, entertaining area, big hob, extractor tucked into the middle. You've got parking for 8 or 9 cars. And you've got about 2 acres of grounds, a couple of lakes, some light woodland, and we are now at 11:45 and the sun's out. It's called sunrise for a reason. Behind the camera, up it goes, and sets behind. This is a really super, well thought through family home, or as my clients are, for a couple. Great living to be had in a wonderful location, and you're only about 4 miles from the North Devon Coast. A lot of thought has gone into the design of this kitchen. As previously mentioned, our clients, one of them was a chef. You've got oodles of quartz worktop. You've got a modern hob, extractor in the middle. You've got pan drawers, you've got wine cooler, you've got bottle store, you've got dishwasher, you've got a microwave, you've got an oven, you've got 1.5 bowl sink. Fridge. Freezer. Larder unit with pull-out drawers. With everything you need. Really workable, really sociable. Plenty of space for the table. And then it opens up into the sitting room. Again, lovely room. On both rooms, there are doors that open up into the garden by sliding back. More in a moment. So if you like your entertaining, this wonderful kitchen breakfast family room leads into this sitting room. Double aspect, space for a huge L-shaped sofa, recess for a 65-inch TV, modern flame effects, different colour schemes you can put together, slimline fire underneath, display recesses, and what a lovely way just to bring the outdoors in. Bifold doors. Just slide them back. And the outside becomes your next room. Myself and the team would love to talk to you about this and show you around. It's a spectacular home.